Yes, for a bank, they had a hard deadline to implement it in 6 months. Otherwise, they will get fines
So that was a lot of
really
pressure.
quickly.
And so you met the deadline and they didn't pay any fines?
They didn't
Nice.
pay any fine, and yeah.
Good job. Good job.
Born and raised in the Netherlands with a Chinese background, and how I end up in tech is I always liked the science and gaming. And when I was studying, I played way too much World of Warcraft, and I started to learn programming, and I created a system to divide up loot fairly. We will go together in a group of 40 people and kill a boss, and then 3 or 5 items drop, and you have to divide it. And then I created a little system to track it like a ledger. And later, I finished my studies, and then I started working for 10 years in real estate and telecommunication. And afterwards, around 10 years in, I became a freelancer, and companies can hire me to implement hard stuff like implement regulation for APIs at the European level.
You were telling me not that long ago you had a project that you had like deadlines that it had to be done like by a certain time and you were able to meet the deadlines and get everything done?
Yes, for a bank, they had a hard deadline to implement it in 6 months. Otherwise, they will get fines. And I was able to quickly getting started and contribute, writing the backend, also for the API, and my Angular knowledge really helped them to create also a working front end
So that was a lot of
really
pressure.
quickly.
And so you met the deadline and they didn't pay any fines?
They didn't
Nice.
pay any fine, and yeah.
Good job. Good job.